Welcome to class 7 mathematics classes. We are in exponent chapter number 5, question number 4. Express each of the following in exponential notation. So here we have to use laws of indices. Question number 1, or laws of exponent. Question number 1, 5 by 21. I hope you have memorized the laws of exponent. Now we have to use those laws here. To the power 8. Okay, so here you can see the bases are same and powers are there. These are multiplying. This quantity and this quantity are multiplying. So in this case we have that law a to the power m into a to the power n. When bases are same and they are multiplying, what we'll do, we'll add the powers a to the power m plus n. With this law of exponent we can solve this. Okay, so here the base will write 5 by 21 and the powers will add 3 plus 8, which gives us 5 by 21 whole to the power 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so this way we have to do. Question number 2, minus 7 by 3 whole to the power 11 into minus 7 by 3 whole to the power 13. So here also with the same law, then the base is same, minus 7 by 3. Okay, the powers will add since it is multiplying. 11 plus 13. So 11 plus 13 minus 7 by 3, 10, 20, 23, 24. So minus 7 by 3 whole to the power 24. Okay, next number is 3. Number 3, here 13 by 43 whole to the power 7 divided by 13 by 43 whole to the power square. Okay, whole to the power 2. Now the here is division. So for this we had that law of exponent a to the power m by a to the power n. In this case what we used to do, a to the power m minus n, the power of the numerator minus the power of the denominator. Okay, m minus n. So here 13 by 43, this is numerator and this is denominator. Okay, so 7 minus 2. So when we subtract it, we are going to get 13 by 43. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, so this is another case using this law. Number 4, with the same law, minus 16 by 35 whole to the power 16 divided by minus 16 by 35 whole to the power 3. So here also what we have to do, the bases are same, so minus 16 by 35, this power of the numerator minus the power of the denominator. Okay, so 16 minus 3 is 13. So minus 16 by 35 is to the power 13. Okay, is the answer. Number 5, minus 7 by 15 to the power 12 divided by minus 7 by 15 to the power 15. Okay, so here bases are same and division is there, so we have to subtract the power of the numerator minus the power of the denominator. Okay, so is equals to minus 7 by 15. Here 12 minus 15. Remember, power of numerator minus power of denominator. Okay, this is 12. So 12 minus 15 is equals to minus 7 by 15, and here minus 3. So this minus we can remove by doing the reciprocal of this fraction. Okay, so 15 comes in the numerator, 7 goes in the denominator, and here minus becomes plus after doing this step. So here is the question number 6 now. 1 by 24 whole to the power 13 divided by 1 by 24 whole to the power 16. Okay, and here is equals to 1 by 24, 13 minus 16. Okay, this is 1 by 24 to the power minus 3, and to remove minus we can do the reciprocal of this fraction. So this gives us 24 to the power 3. Okay, now 5 number question. Simplify and express. Okay, first we have to simplify and then we have to express each of the following as a rational number. So we have to express it as a rational number. Question number 1, 5 1. 6 by 5 cube into 5 by 2 square. Okay, so this we can write in expanded form. Okay, we can expand it. 6 to the power cube means 6 into 6 into 6. 5 to the power cube means 5 into 5 into 5, and here into 5 square means 5 into 5, and 2 square means 2 into 2. Now we can cancel this. 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 3s are 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 1s are. Okay, so here we got 6 into 3 into 3. In the denominator we got 5. Okay, here is equals to 54 by 5, and then is equals to 10 whole 4 by 5 after dividing. To number 3 by 4 whole square into minus 1 by 2 whole to the power 5 into 2 cube. Okay, so here first of all let us solve here. 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. 4 4s are 16. Okay, minus 1 to the power 5 is minus 1 only. 2 to the power 5 is 32. Okay, you can check in the rough. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 times 2 you have to do, and 2 to the power 3 is 8. Okay, so now here 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So here we are getting minus 1 into 9 is minus 9, 32 into 2 is 64. So we have expressed this one in rational number. 3 number 5 by 4 square into 2 by 3 whole square into minus 3 by 5 whole cube. Okay, so here what we have to do, let us distribute the powers. 5 square, 4 square. There are several methods to solve. Okay, don't worry, you can do your own processes also, but answer should be correct and all the steps you need to do correctly. So this is my way. So see here, 2 square, 3 square, and wherever you get chance to apply the laws, you can apply the laws there. Minus 3 to the power 3 by 5 to the power 3. We have distributed the powers now. Why I have distributed powers, you can see here now. Okay, here you can see this 5 square and this 5 cube. This is in numerator and this one is in denominator, so we can apply law here. Okay, power of the numerator minus the power of the denominator. Okay, and this 2 is in the numerator and this 4 square is in the denominator. This is numerator, this is in denominator, so we can convert it into 2 square, isn't it? So this 4 can be written as 2 into 2 whole square. Okay, so let it be. In the next step we'll do it. 2 square into minus, this one is minus 3 cube and this one is 3 square. Okay, so here minus we can write here, this minus we can write here, this minus, and the power of the numerator minus the power of the denominator. So we have written almost all the quantities here in this manner. Now in next step, the solution, we have applied here laws of exponents. This 5 square and this 5 cube, as 5 to the power 2 minus 3, and this minus comes here, 3 cube and 3 square we have written as 3 to the power 3 minus 2, and this 4 as 2 into 2, that is 4 only, and whole square. Now next step, minus 5, 2 minus 3 is minus 1 into 2 square here into 3 minus 1 is 1 only, so the power is 1 here, no need to write, by this is 2 into 2 means 2 square whole to the power 2 again. Now in next step, minus 5 minus 1 into 2 to the power 2 into 3 by 2 to the power 4. 2 into 2 is 4 here. This is like this, a to the power m whole to the power n is equals to a to the power mn, laws of exponent, from the laws of exponent. So we can apply this one here, 2 to the power 4. Okay, in next step, minus 5 whole to the power, minus 5 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power of the numerator minus the power of the denominator into 3. The bases are same here. Okay, so we can apply the laws. So now here, minus 5 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power minus 2 into 3. So this minus we can remove by writing the reciprocal of this. Minus remains here only. So 5 is 1 by 5. So 5 in the denominator, and 2 square we can write it as 2 square, minus sign removed as we are writing this one in denominator, and this 3 here. So minus 3 by 5 into 4. All the steps I have shown you here, so you can revise to understand properly. Minus 3, 5 4 is 20. So this is the rational number. Further we cannot go for any calculations, so here we stop. This is the rational number that we have found. Now next is question number 4. 4 minus 3 by 4 to the power 3 into minus 5 by 2 to the power 3 into 2 by 3 to the power 5. Okay, so we have to express this one into a rational number, as a rational number. Okay, so now is equals to, let us distribute the powers. Minus 3 to the power 3, 4 to the power 3 into minus 5 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5. Okay, now here minus 3 and this one 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 5. Using the laws, 3 minus 5 into minus 5 by into minus 5 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 5 minus 3. Okay, power of the numerator minus power of the denominator. Bases are same. Now by this 2 into this one we can write as 2 into 2 to the power 3. 4 we can write as 2 into 2. Why we are doing like this? To make the bases same. Okay, so we can apply the laws. So minus 3, this 3 minus 5 is minus 2 into minus 5 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. By this 2 into 2 we can write as 2 square whole to the power 3. Okay, now this one is minus minus plus, so we are not going to write now minus sign. Minus minus is plus only. Okay, so let us write 5 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2, and this one, this quantity in the denominator, to remove this minus. So 3 square, and this one is 2 into 2 to the power 3 to the 6. Now you can see here these two are same base, so again we can apply the laws. Okay, 5 cube into 2 to the power 2 minus 6, the power of the denominator. Okay, by 3 square. So here 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125, and into 2 to the power minus 4, 2 minus 6 is minus 4, and 3 square is 9. So now we can write here. Okay, let us use this space. 125 by 9, to remove this minus we can write this quantity in the denominator, 2 to the power 4, without the minus sign. Okay, remember, without the minus sign, just to remove minus only we have written this quantity in the denominator. If it is in denominator, if the same thing is in denominator, then to remove the minus we can write in numerator. Okay, anyway, here after this step, here is equals to 125 by 9 into 2 to the power 4 means 16. Okay, you can do it here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 16. Okay, in the rough you can do it. So now the final answer is here 125 by 16, 9 times is 144. So this is the rational number that we have found for this question. Okay, now here 5 number, which is very simple. 7 by 11 to the power 6 divided by 7 by 11 to the power 3. So here bases are same only, so directly you can apply the laws here. 7 by 11 and power of numerator minus power of denominator, that gives us 7 by 11 to the power 3, and we have to convert this one into rational numbers. 7 into 7 into 7 here, and here 11 into 11 into 11. Okay, and after multiplying this we'll get 343, and here in denominator we'll get 1331. 6 number I'll do here. Okay, 6 number, minus 4 by 3 to the power 8 divided by minus 4 by 3 to the power 12. Okay, so here is equals to minus, bases are same only, minus 4 by 3, this is division, 8 minus 12 power of numerator minus power of denominator. So minus 4 by 3, 8 minus 12 is minus 4, okay, which we can write as this. To remove minus, we can write it as minus is there only, 3 comes in the numerator and 4 in the denominator, reciprocal of this, okay. This becomes this when we do reciprocal. So now the power is 4 as we have removed the minus, okay. So just to find the rational number, now minus to the power even number, okay, becomes plus minus to the power even number. 4 is an even number. I have given you this idea in previous class, hope so you have gone through that. Minus to the power 4 means this minus will become positive, okay. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, we have not written minus here, okay. So 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Now after multiplying, here we get 81 and here we get 256. So my dear children, for today this much only. In my next video class we'll go for question number 6 and the rest, okay. Thank you.